Two ways to delete downloaded music and get back more storage space on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the music app. Then in here, tap on Library at the bottom. Next in Library, tap on Downloaded, and then tap on Songs. This will show all the songs that you have downloaded to your device. Now in here, tap on the More button right next to the song. And from the pop-up, tap on Delete from Library. And then say, are you sure you want to delete this song from your library? Tap on Delete Song to remove it from your device. Once you have removed it from the library, you should be able to get back more storage space. Okay, the second method is via settings. So from your home screen, tap on settings. In the settings screen, we scroll down and then tap on music. Next, scroll down to the downloads section. If you do not see downloads in here, try to turn off show all purchases and then switch it back on, and you can see the downloads section will appear. In here, tap on downloaded music. Then in here, go through the artist, open up one of the album. So I'm going to go into the unknown album, and from here, tap on edit. Perhaps I can swipe too. Yep, so you can also swipe to the left and then tap on delete, or you can tap on the edit button at the top here, then tap on the remove button, then tap on delete. So perhaps maybe this is the shortcut here where we can just quickly swipe to the left and then tap on delete. And that's it. That is how you can delete music from your iPhone 15 and get back more storage space. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.